No.
They want to feed the goats?
I don't know.
You want to put it in that bucket? Put it right in that bucket.
Look at that, yes. He want feed it, gentle. Be gentle. Look at that. A picture. Picture yet. Picture. See cheese. Here. Picture. See cheese. Right here. Oh.
Why did the goat say cheese? What? The goat say cheese, Mom.
Oh yeah. Oh, do you like lemon?
They do.
Oh.
We just found that out.
They are eating yet. Hey, di wanna pass? That's alright. Picture yet. Look at here to mommy. Look at here. See cheese. Look at here to mommy. Do you have a good sleep?
Don't let the pig. Don't water the pig.
What's that? Daddy pig or mommy pig?
Careful, the pig will be anxious.
That is bacon.
Which one?
This one, the pig.
Which one? I don't see it.
They make this bacon.
Which one?
All the pig. Did you see the rabbit? Right here, behind you. Isaiah, behind you. There's a lot here. Right here. Yeah. What are you eating? Good job. Just wait, yeah. Okay. No, you cannot touch that. Hey, Saya, come here. Yeah, do not touch it. Yeah, picture. Oh,
Snow White.
okay. I did already.
Mom, this is Snow White.
Oh, look at the house here. Look at the house. Look at the house. Hotel.
I think I will fix it.
Wait. And what is this here? going to the barn. Why that cow is right there? They're milking the cow.
Hey, look at this little cow. And this is a chair.
Open the door.
No one's in there. It's on a tree. I saw it on a tree, Mom. Look.
Okay.
Look, Mama. Here.
A picture with the ghost.
Years ago, he was hurt now.
Picture. Stand up beside it. See cheese.
It's not a big bag.
There's a lot.
Mommy, look at this one. Look.
Yeah. That's very. Is that real?
Huh?
Real?
Is it real?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real. Not the kind of deer we have, though. We have great deer.
So what's the difference of this, the deer that we hit in the road?
They have white tails, so they don't. The racks don't get that big. Trust me. The racks get small.